Hey, and welcome to Math Plus Everything Journey. Today we're going to solve a linear proportion. In this problem, you're going to see cross multiplication because there's a proportion. Then you're going to see distributive property, and you're going to see some inverse operation. But before we go on to this problem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this problem. You have 3. The first problem, it says solve for x. You have 3 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 5 divided by x plus 4. The first thing we're going to do with this problem, we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to do this. Some call it the butterfly method, but here we go. So now we're going to take our numerator and we're going to multiply with our denominator on the opposite side. So see the equal sign? So we have the 3 multiplied by x plus 4. So let's write our 3, parentheses, x plus 4. And we're going to go on the other side is equal to 5 multiplied by x plus 2. So we have 5, and then we're going to multiply. My lighting is bad. By x plus 2. So if we know here, we're going to do some distributive property. We're going to distribute the 3 outside of the parentheses with everything inside the parentheses. The same thing on this side, we're going to distribute the 5 with everything that's inside the parentheses. So now let's expand this. So 3 multiplied by x, so we're going to have 3. We're going to multiply by x, right, plus the same 3 by x, and then 3 by 4. 3 multiplied by 4. In this problem, you could do one side first, or you could do both at the same time. I'm going to do both at the same time. So this is going to be equal to, I'm going to multiply 5 with x and 5 with 2. So take 5 times x, and then you have your plus 5 times 2, 5 times 2. So everything, the number that's outside the parentheses must be multiplied with everything that's within the parentheses. So now we're going to say 3 times x, 3 multiplied by x is 3x, plus 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. And that's going to be equal to 5 multiplied by x is 5x, plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So there you have it. So now we're going to combine. So in order to get the x's on one side and then get the number on the other side. Right? So with this one, we're going to minus 5 from both sides. So we want our x's to be on the left and our numbers to be on the right. So I'm going to minus 5 from both sides, 5x. And I'm going to minus 5x. So here we have it. So we have 3x minus 5x. That's going to give us minus or negative 2x. Then I'm going to bring down my plus, and I'm going to bring down my 12 because I'm not yet ready for it. Then I'm going to replace my equal sign. Now I have a positive 5 and a negative 5. That's going to cancel out each other. And then I'm going to my plus, and I'm going to bring down my 10. So now we have negative 2x plus 12 is equal to positive 10. So I'm going to bring my negative 12 on this side. So in order to do that, I am going to minus 12 from both sides. So I am going to take away 12 from this side and take away 12 from this side. So I'm going to bring down my negative 2x. and I have a positive 12 and a negative 12. Those cancel out each other. And I am equal with, I have a 10, positive 10, and minus 12 is going to give me a negative 2. Again, at this step, if you do not know, you could use your calculator. If you do not know how to do your integers, I'm going to show you how to in another video. Okay, so here we have negative 2. So now we have negative 2x is equal to 2. So this is 2 times negative 2 times some number, x is equal to 2. So we know that this is a multiplication. So in order to isolate x, or solve for x, we have to divide negative 2 by both sides. Why are we dividing negative 2 by both sides? Because 2x means 2 multiplied by some number. So we're going to undo the multiplication. So we're going to do negative 2, and we're going to divide by negative 2. So when we divide negative 2x, the 2's cancel out, so we're left with x, and x is equal to negative 2 divided by negative 2 cancels out, leave 1 because 2 into 2 goes 1. So your x is equal to 1. And if we go in and plug 1 in the problem, let's see. Let's check. You must always check. So here, let's check. We have 3 divided by, we said our x was 1. 3 divided by x is 1 plus 2 is going to be equal to 5 divided by x is 1 plus 4. Remember, where this 1 comes from is when you solve the problem, you find out that x is equal to 1. So that's where this 1 comes from. So now we're going to say 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. And that's equal to 5 divided by 4 plus 1 is 5. If you simplify, or if you cross multiplication, you see both of them is the same. So if you do cross multiply, and you cross multiply, you're going to say 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 3 times 5. And 3 times 5 is 15, is equal to 15. So it checks out. Thank you for watching, and as usual, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and I'll be posting more videos. Bye.